Hi, Tony from Songwriters Chop Shop here. What you do if you know what you want your song to be about, but you're having trouble finding the right words. Well, maybe you're not as clear about the topic as you initially thought. So make sure you're crystal clear about it. What is the topic? How do you feel about it? And what's your attitude towards those emotions? You could be talking about falling in love, but what is your attitude towards that? Is it stupid? Is it hard? Is it weird or scary or amazing? Write down all the words, images and phrases you can think of associated with the topic and your attitude. Writing out what you want to say in each verse literally and in a straightforward, direct way might also help. After that, you should have a few keywords that you can use. Then go to thesaurus.com and find some synonyms for those keywords that sound good. Go to Wikipedia and put your topic into the search bar. A bunch of stuff should come up that you can get ideas from. Do a Google search for sayings and quotes on the topic and also search for images. That should give you some ideas or at least get you going in the right direction. And watch this video next if you want to see me going through that process step by step. Catch you next time.